Ahlan wa sahlan wa marhaba. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is mandevu.com. Driving is fun. Let's learn together. Somo la leo. Tata Ace. Tata Ace. So, today we will be exploring the smallest mini truck from Tata Motors called Tata Ace. So Tata Ace is a popular small commercial vehicle known for its reliability, fuel efficiency, and versatility, making it a common choice for businesses in Kenya and India, especially for last mile deliveries. So guys, follow me, I show you the interior side of this Tata Ace. So this is the interior side of the Tata Ace. This is the interior side of the Tata Ace. You can see down here, you can see the pedals. This one is the accelerator pedal. The accelerator pedal. The one at the middle here is the brake pedal. And this one here is the clutch pedal. Clutch pedal. So here is the ignition. And this one here is the indicator lever. So on this other side here is the wiper lever. Wiper lever. Wiper lever. So here on top is the steering wheel. The steering wheel. You can see the gear lever. This one is the gear lever. And this one here is the handbrake. So on the gear lever, you can see how the gears are arranged, or the arrangement of the gears. So you can see the odd numbers are on the upper side, while the even numbers are on the lower side. So let's head on to the dashboard. This is the dashboard. So you can see here the fuel gauge. The fuel gauge there. This one at the middle is the speedometer gauge. Now this one at the end here is the temperature gauge. Now here is the idling button, or the button for setting the idling of the engine. For those drivers who smoke, here is your lighter point, and the clock there. This one is the clock. So the cabin lamp, that one is the cabin lamp. The rear window, this one is the rear window. So it has also the safety belt, the driver's safety belt. The engine. Now, this point here, is where you put your radiator water. That is where you put your radiator water, and to access it, you have to open here. Let me show you. This is where you have to open. You open this side here using your ignition key. You open there. Now see the inside. There is a small lid there. You'll have to open it. When you open it like that, let me show you. So that small lid inside there is where you put your radiator water. The radiator water. Now, to access the brake fluid point, you come on top of the dashboard here. You can see this lid here is written brake fluid. So you open it like that, and then you will access the brake fluid point. Now, this one is the exterior side of it. The exterior side of the Tata Ace. So this is how it looks like at the rear side of it. So I told you this is a small pickup, but it actually performs the same task as a pickup. So this one here is the battery. Up to that point, we come to the end of today's lesson. So thank you so much for watching, and please remember to like this video and also subscribe to my channel. Ahlan wa sahlan wa marhaba.